We grow our fibers with love, taking care of animals and plants that provide us such magic gifts. To manufacture cool clothes for any situation we enjoy living. Every year, we produce 100 billion garments. But only 20% are used on a regular basis. So what about the other 80%? We end up accumulating all these clothes in our closets until there is no more room for any brand new shiny things, and even if fibers and yarns are still in a good shape, they get incinerated and landfilled. And even when they're recycled, usually, you obtain an underproduct. Only the 1% is recycled into new yarns. And this means that 99% of the time, those fibers will not become a garment ever again. Can we do better? Yes, we do believe so. This is such an irresponsible waste that asks for radical changes.
Hi, I'm Lorenzo, founder of Marte Labs, fashion and textile designer, and this is why we created Transformable Textiles.
Transformable textiles are made out of multiple layers of continuous yarns connected together, following AI-generated geometry. So when you get bored of your garment, fabrics can be separated to get such yarns back to be reassembled into a new product, with no need for heavy chemical or mechanical treatments. Thanks to Transformable Textiles, you can produce zero-waste and 3D printed fabrics directly in your workshop. You can use a wide variety of yarns, from 100% natural to the highest performance ones. Our fabrics come with a detail that makes the difference. They do not turn into waste, even when you get tired of it. Textiles can be made upon order and produced with the exact shape you need, so you eliminate cutoffs, save time, and thanks to our technology, you extend the lifespan of yarns and fibers, saving resources at scale and increasing the value of what's inside your closet. You're now part of the fashion revolution. Feel free to enjoy your new clothes, and remember, your impact has never been so small.